Now coming to the fourth bit, which is x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. Let this be equation number 1, and 3x minus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. Let this be equation number 2. So a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to minus 3, c1 is equal to minus 7, and a2 is 3, b2 is minus 3, and c2 is equal to minus 15. So let us find a1 by a2, b1 by b2, and c1 by c2. Now a1 by a2 is equal to 1 divided by 3, b1 by b2 is equal to minus 3 divided by minus 3, which is nothing but 1, and c1 by c2 is equal to minus 7 by 15, that is 7 by 15. So we can observe a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So from the second condition, we can say that the given set of linear equations have unique solution. It is because a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So these pair of linear equations have unique solution. Since the given set of linear equations have unique solution, we must find the solutions, namely the x and y. So it is by cross multiplication method. For cross multiplication method, we need to draw a following diagram, which is as x, y, 1. Here we need to write the coefficient of y, which is minus 3, and here is also the coefficient minus 3. Next, the coefficient, the constant term, which is minus 7, and here the constant is minus 15. Next, the coefficient of x, which is 1 and 3, and again the coefficient of y, minus 3, here is also minus 3. Now we can write x divided by, on cross multiplication we get minus 3 multiplied by minus 15 minus minus 3 multiplied by minus 7 is equal to y divided by minus 7 multiplied by 3 minus minus 15 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1 divided by 1 multiplied by minus 3 minus 3 multiplied by minus 3. So on further simplification, we get x divided by minus 3 multiplied by minus 15 is 45, and minus of minus is plus, and minus of plus is minus. So 3 sevens 21 is equal to y divided by minus 21 plus 15 is equal to 1 divided by minus 3 plus 9. That gives x divided by 24 is equal to y divided by minus 6 is equal to 1 divided by 6. Therefore we can write x is equal to 24 divided by 6, which is nothing but 4, and y is equal to minus 6 divided by 6, which is nothing but minus 1. Therefore we can say that x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 1 are the required solutions of the given set of linear equations. Coming to the first bit of the second problem, for which values of a and b does the following pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions? The first equation given is 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. The first equation can be written as 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. Let this be equation number 1. And the second equation can be written as a minus b times of x plus a plus b times of y minus of 3a plus b minus 2 is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. According to the given condition of the problem, the given pair of linear equations have infinite number of solutions. So let us apply the condition number 1. Here a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is minus 7, and a2 is a minus b, b2 is a plus b, c2 is minus of 3a plus b minus 2. So we can write a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, because the given set of linear equations have infinite number of solutions. Here a1 is 2 and a2 is a minus b, b1 is 3 and b2 is a plus b, c1 is nothing but minus 7 and c2 is minus of 3a plus b minus 2. Now we can write 2 by a minus b is equal to, here minus and minus will be cancelled, 7 by 3a plus b minus 2, and 3 by a plus b is equal to 7 by 3a plus b minus 2. On cross multiplication we will get 2 times of 3a plus b minus 2 is equal to 7 times of a minus b, and 3 times of 3a plus b minus 2 is equal to 7 times of a plus b. So this becomes 6a plus 2b minus 4 is equal to 7a minus 7b, and this becomes 9a plus 3b minus 6 is equal to 7a plus 7b. So we can write this as 7a minus 6a minus 7b minus 2b plus 4 is equal to 0, and 9a minus 7a plus 3b minus 7b minus 6 is equal to 0. So this equation becomes a minus 9b plus 4 is equal to 0, and 2a minus 4b minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we got two equations. A minus 9b plus 4 is equal to 0. Let this be equation number 3. And 2a minus 4b minus 6 is 0. This is equation number 4. So let us solve both of these equations by cross multiplication. So first we write a, b and 1. So the coefficient of b is minus 9 in the equation number 3 and minus 4 in equation number 4. And constant term is 4 and constant term is minus 6. And coefficient of a is 1. Here the coefficient of a is 2. And again we write down coefficient of minus 9, and here the coefficient is minus 4. Now by cross multiplication we write a by minus 9 times of minus 6 is equal to minus 4 times of 4. This is equal to b divided by 4 times of 2 minus 6 times of 1. This is equal to 1 times of 1 multiplied by minus 4 minus 2 multiplied by minus 9. Now this becomes a divided by minus 9 multiplied by minus 6 is plus 54, and minus of minus is plus, 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. This is equal to b divided by 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, minus of minus is plus, this becomes plus 6, which is equal to 1 divided by minus 4 and minus of minus is plus, 2 times of 9 is 18. So we get A by 54 plus 16 is nothing but 70 is equal to B by 8 plus 6 is 14, and this is equal to 1 by minus 4 plus 8 is 14. So we can write A by 70 is equal to 1 divided by 14 and B by 14 is equal to 1 by 14. So this is A is equal to 70 divided by 14 and B is equal to 14 divided by 14. So now we can write A is nothing but 14 goes in 70 as 5. So A becomes 5 and 14 goes in 14 as 1. So the required values of A and B are A is 5 and B is 1. Coming to the second bit, for which value of k will the following pair of linear equations have no solution? So the first linear equation given is 3x plus y is equal to 1, and the second equation is k minus 1 times of x plus k minus 1 times of y is equal to 2k plus 1. So the given equations can be written as 3x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. And 2k minus 1 times of x plus k minus 1 times of y minus of 2k plus 1 is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. So now we can write a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to 1, and c1 is equal to minus 1. a2 is equal to 2k minus 1, b2 is equal to k minus 1, and c2 is equal to minus of 2k plus 1. According to the given problem, the given pair of linear equations have no solution. So we can use the third condition, which is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2 for no solution condition. So we can write a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2. We know that a1 is 3 and a2 is 2k minus 1, that is equal to b1 is 1 and b2 is k minus 1. So by cross multiplication we get 3 times of k minus 1 is equal to 1 times of 2k minus 1, that is 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k minus 1. This implies 3k minus 2k is equal to minus 1 plus 3, that gives k is equal to 2. So we are required to find the value of k, and we obtained the value of k to be